Did you know Jamaica's very first motor car drove through Black River in 1903? It was a four-cylinder New Orleans model built in Twickenham, England. The proud owner was H.W. Griffiths, a planter from Hodges Pen Estate. Crowds gathered in awe, many seeing an automobile for the very first time. Horses and carriages still ruled the roads, so the car looked futuristic. Black River already had Jamaica's first telephone service by the early 1900s. It was also the first town to have electric lights in Waterloo House. These firsts made Black River a symbol of progress during colonial Jamaica. The car marked Jamaica's step into a modern transportation era. Today, historians still celebrate that Black River led the way for innovation. Poll: which Black River first impresses you most today? The car, phone, lights, or water? Like and follow and share if Caribbean milestones fill you with pride.